2010 to 2017 Chevy equinox wiper model replacement. The wiper model is located under the wiper cowl. So to access it, let's start by removing those with the push pin here. There is 4 of them. About 4 of them. All the across the engine bay. So let's remove them. And you go like this. Alright. Oh, I got all of them out. So let's remove these I'd say shield pretty much. So you pull it that way and hook it like that, and you pull this trim piece like this, let it rest just like this. Alright, same thing onto the side. You pull it like that, unhook it, and you pull it like that. And now let's remove let's unhook this piece here that goes to the wiper cowl. You unhook it, you just peel it like that. You just get it like that. Same procedure. Now let's remove the wipers off. Off like that. Those are 50mm wipers. Let's remove them. So now let's remove the wipers. To remove the wiper arm, right, you need to put the hood down a little bit, not close it all the way. You pick it up just like that, right, and you not yank it, but you shake it until it come out like this. There you go, just like that. Same thing on the other side, right? So you do this, you just wiggle it out, it will come out eventually. There you go. Now let's remove the wiper hose. Let's disconnect it from the cowl assembly. You just pull it out. That's it. So let's take it off. There you go. So here is the wiper motor assembly. It's held by 3 10mm. You unplug this, by the way, that's the connector for it. Yeah, let's take it off. Here it is. The motor didn't fail. It's the wiper that come off. So there are times we just repair them, replace the wiper transmission assembly, and we just ship it. But I'm gonna find out what they wanna do if we have them available. If they don't have it available, usually just replace the whole thing and be done with it. Alright guys, here's the part number for the new wiper module, by the way. It's 842-41847. So let's put it in. So it goes in that way. You have to set your connector here. Alright, like this under the assembly. Goes in like that, right? Let's bolt everything in. And remember to take those white push pins off of the body, by the way. There should be 4 of them. And let's slide it in like that. Right? Now we're gonna push it down until you hear a click. That's the click. You push it down all the way, make sure it's even. Put everything back in, all the push pins and flush now. So when we put the wipers on, make sure you put it in at the resting position. Right? They should look something like that. Right? So put the bolt in. Right? Yeah, just like this, right? And now you're gonna bolt them in. It should be good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys.